What if I told you that your daughter's walk could earn her extra points before she even opens her mouth? Today, I'm sharing a secret on how you can coach her on her pageant walk right in your kitchen. Welcome back to day 2 of our 10-day pageant tips series for little girls ages 5 to 8 here on Beauty Pageant Coach. In the last video, we worked on that beautiful winning smile. And if you haven't watched that yet, go back and check it out. Today, it's all about the walk. Here's your at-home practice drill. Place a strip of tape in a straight line down your hallway or kitchen. Make sure there's no carpet. Have your daughter walk heel to toe along the line, chin up, shoulders back, and with a natural arm swing. Practice 3 trips down the hall or kitchen each day. Add music to make it fun. A confident walk signals self-assurance to the judges and the audience. When a little girl walks with her head up and her shoulders back, she looks like she belongs on that stage. Well, because she does. Instead of correcting her every step, celebrate what she does right first. I love how you kept your chin up. Then gently add 1 coaching point at a time. Remember, confidence is built with encouragement. Don't be critical. Correct her with love. Try that tape line walk tonight and have some fun with it. Comment below if you want more walking tips. Subscribe to Beauty Pageant Coach if you haven't. We have 8 more tips for little girls ages 5 to 8 in this series coming your way. And they just keep getting better. See you in my next video. Also, if this tip helped you, please share it with another pageant family so we can continue to build the Queen and King community. I love you. See you on the stage.